All of you, welcome in Red Online School Education. I am myself Patil BN, Karmavir Bhaurao Patil, Krishi Vidyalay and Junior College of Science, Devapur, Taluka Man, District Satara. Today we are going to discuss about new point transgenic animal. So in a transgenic animal, many transgenic animal like mice, rats, rabbit, pig, sheep, cows, fish, etc. have been produced through recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology used to modification of the genome of animals to responsible for inserted characteristics in a contrast to spontaneous mutation. Foreign DNA introduced into animal in recombinant DNA technology through germline gene therapy. Transgenic animals have been used in medical research, in toxicology, that is responsive test animal detection of toxicants. They are also used in mammalian developmental genetics, in molecular biology to identify genetic changes in animal. It also used in the pharmaceutical industry for production of protein, drugs, antibiotic, etc. It also useful for the production of a protein, genetically engineered hormones to increase milk yield, milk production, etc. Developing animal specially created for use in xenografting or xenotransplantation, that is transplant of an organ, tissue or cell to an individual of another species. For example, the most common graft to be used in the dental industry are bone grafts, and another example is the use of wall of pig hearts in human heart surgery. So next point is the transgenic mice and cancer research. The modified transgenic mice using in particular oncogenes, that is cancer causing gene. Such an animal can also be used for research into cancer treatment and prevention malignancy. For example, in the laboratory of Philip Leder in Harvard, USA, the transgenic mouse model for the investigation of the breast cancer was developed. The oncogenes Mike and Russ were analyzed to find out if they lead to breast cancer in mice transformed with this gene. So the another transgenic animal production for the farm animals, that is the transgenic farm animals. The animals are improved for production of meat, milk yield, quality and disease free status. For example, at the beginning of the century, a dairy cow provides only 2000 to 3000 liters of milk a year. But now today, Holstein cow provides 6000 liter on an average and up to 8000 to 10000 for the best one. So in a poultry, a hen laid about 70 eggs a year, but the transgenic bird today gives 250 eggs per year. So these transgenic animal are produced, that is the objective of transgenic animals are the efficiency of meat production, improve quality of meat, improve milk quality and quantity, increase egg production, improve wool quality and quantity, production of disease resistance animal, and production of low cost pharmaceutical and biological materials. So next one is the transgenic cattle for produced for the food production. So the addition of copies of bovine beta or kappa casein into dairy cattle and effect on milk production and composition, that is 8 to 20% increase in beta casein and a two-fold increase in kappa casein. So these are due to the transgenic animal. So next one is the transgenic cattle for human therapeutic production. Genetic modified cattle produced for production of a human therapeutic protein. Human proteins that have been expressed in milk include human lactoferrin, human alpha lactoalbumin, human serum albumin, and human bile salt stimulated lipase. The mammary gland in a dairy cow is an excellent protein production factory. Transgenic cow would be more than sufficient for production of annual world supply of factor 9, that is plasma thromboblastine component, that is used in the treatment of hemophilia. Antibiotics also produced by transgenic cattle used against cancer, transplanted organ rejection, autoimmune disease, and antitoxins. So next animal like transgenic sheep are produced for the production of a better growth and meat production as well as a bioreactors. So in a transgenic sheep, the human growth hormone gene is introduced in a sheep for promoting the growth and meat production. The bacterial genes cis-E and cis-M introduced in sheep to increase wool production and to improve the quality of wool. So next point is the transgenic pigs. Gene transferred in pigs to increase growth and meat production and act as a bioreactors. The pig's heart is the same size as a human heart. Hence, pig heart valves have been used in human heart surgery. That is, this process is known as the xenotransplantation. So next one is the production of a transgenic fish. The transgenic fish increase the cold tolerance and improve growth, increase protein as well as increase the span of preservation. So these are produced with the help of transgenic process. So next one is the transgenic chicken. Production of a transgenic chicken for bird resistance to viral and coccidiosis diseases. The chicken is also produced for the better feed efficiency, low fat and cholesterol levels, and as well as high protein content in egg and better meat quality. So all these animal like fish, chicken, pig, sheep or any other animal, they are useful for the production of a human beneficial. So next point is the bioethics, biopiracy and biopatent. So first is the what is meant by bioethics. So bioethics means it is the matters related to socially acceptable moral duty, conduct and judgment. It helps to regulate the behaviors of community by some set of standards. So next point is the effect of biotechnology on the environment. So that is the first effect of the biotechnology in environment is the formation of a herbicide use and resistance. To increase the production of yield, farmers use excess herbicides. This effect on surrounding environment and plant makes resistance against herbicides. For example, herbicides Roundup. The crops of Roundup ready soybean have already been implemented into agriculture practices. The Roundup resistance to neighbor plants. So next one is the effect on untargeted species. BT corn or BT cotton, they are produced with the help of transgenic process or rDNA technology, that is the Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria contain cryogene and they are introduced into such a plants, and such a plant is produced its own pesticide. It also be used in today by farmers. It has adverse effect on monarch butterfly population, which are not the original target of the pesticide. So next one is the effect of biotechnology on human health. So the first effect on the human health is the allergies. The some transgenic animal have negative effect on human health. For example, researchers use a gene from the Brazil nut to increase the production of methionine in soybean. The insertion of this gene caused allergic reaction to the soybean in those which known nut allergies, that is the biotech soybeans. So next effect is the long term effect on health, which we cannot anticipate at this point. So next effect is the formation of a new protein. It effect on human body. So next one is the effect is the food additives. So genetic modified organisms introduce additional nutrition into food, antibiotic and vaccine, but formation of antibiotic vaccine resistant strain of the diseases. So next point is the biopatent. Patent is a special right granted to the inventor by the government. Patent is the personal property of inventor. It can be sold like any other property. It consists of three parts: grant, that is agreement with the inventor; another part is the specification, subject matter of invention; and third one is the claim, scope of invention to be protected. So next point is the biopiracy. So the biopiracy is the thief of various natural product and then selling them by getting patent without giving any benefit to the host country. For example, patenting of neem, Aza director indica, the people of India in a variety of ways have been used neem. Indians have shared the knowledge of these properties of the neem with the entire world. Piracy this knowledge by American, the patenting of the fungicidal properties of neem was an example of biopiracy. The another example is in 1997 the US patent and trademark based on American company rice, Basmati rice line and grains have trade name Texmati. This is the another example of piracy. The third example of the piracy is the turmeric. Two American researchers of the Indian origin of the University of Mississippi Medical Center put a claim to the US Patent and Trademarks Office, maintaining that they had discovered haldi's healing properties. Surprisingly, they were granted a patent in March 1995 for something you had known for years and your Ayurvedas for centuries. Okay, thank you. All of you solve given question below and wish all the best. Thank you.